Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. See the picture. Can you tell what is this picture will represent? Each picture here, the first picture shows 1 by 4 and the second shows 1 by 4 and third also shows 1 by 4. So 3 times 1 by 4. 3 times 1 by 4 shows what here? Here this is 3 by 4. And the same way here the first picture shows 2 by 9 and second also 2 by 9. 2 by 9. 3 times 2 by 9 together shows here 6 by 9. So this picture shows what? Repetition of a fraction is equal to the multiplication of fractions. 1 by 4 into 3 is equal to 3 by 4. That we see here. 1 by 4 into 3 is equal to 3 by 4. 2 by 9 into 3 is equal to 6 by 9. See how to multiply a number and a fraction. First we multiply a proper fraction to a number. While multiplying, we don't change the denominator. The denominators are same. And multiply the number to this numerator. Multiply number to numerator. 3 into 4, 12. Then answer is 12 by 7. If it is an improper fraction, you can change to mixed fraction. Next, we can multiply a improper fraction to number. 7 by 3 is an improper fraction into a number. The same procedure we are doing. 7 into 6 equal to 42. 7 into 6, 42. Then the denominator is same 3. We got an improper fraction. Therefore, change to mixed fraction. If it is completely divisible, you can write the answer. 42 by 3 is equal to 14. So the final answer is 14. Next, how to multiply a mixed fraction to a number. So the given number is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Therefore, change it to improper. How to change it? 2 into 7. 2 into 7 plus 5. Plus 5. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 by 7. 19 by 7 into 3. First change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Then follow the same procedure we have done before. 19 by 7 into 3. 19 into 3, 57. Divide by 7. The denominator is same. There is no change. 19 into 3, 57. 57 by 7 is a improper fraction. So change it to mixed fraction. How to change it? Divide 57 by 7. How many times 7 in 57? 8 times. Then balance how many? 1. That balance is here. So 8 to 1 by 7. To multiply a whole number with a proper or an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. So that is a procedure for multiplication. Multiply numerator to the whole number and keep the denominator same. Next, fraction as an operator of. How of use in the case of fraction? See here 3 pictures are given here. We want to find half of circle. How we can half of circle? It is easy because we know that there are total how many circles are there? There are 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 circles are there. So half of circle, you know, it is 6. Or another method is divide the group into 2. Divide the group into 2. Then take one group from it. Now we divide it into 2 groups. Out of 2 groups, 1 we selected. So that one group is equal to how many? That is equal to 6. So the answer 6. Next, 2 by 3 of triangle. So divide the triangles into 3 groups and select 2 groups from it. We selected 2 groups from it. So how many triangles are there in 2 groups? That is equal to 6. 3 by 5 of squares. So divide the squares into 5 groups. So divide into 5 groups. Now select 3 group from it. Select 3 group from it. How many squares are there in the group? Total 9 squares. So we can say that half of 12 means half into 12 is equal to 6. 2 by 3 of 9 means 2 by 3 into 9 equal to 18 by 3, 6. 3 by 5 of 15 means 3 by 5 into 15, that is 45 by 5 is equal to 9. We see that of represents multiplication. When we see of, it represents multiplication. So once again we can go back to the picture. Half of circle means half of 12. Then 2 by 3 of triangle means 2 by 3 into total triangle 9. 2 by 3 into 9. 3 by 5 of squares means 3 by 5 into total squares 15. So when we see of in the question, you can use multiplication there. Next, these questions, try exercise 2.2, question number 3, 4, 5, 6. These type of questions you can see there. So do it. You should do all the questions. Question number 3, sub questions are there. So do all the questions and try all the questions. Thank you.